TV. Tonight we're making pollo cacciatore, which is basically slow cooked chicken in a tomato passata with herbs and vegetables. There are many varieties for this recipe, however we're going to show you the one that we always make. So we have our vegetables here that we ordered online via the Viviano Fresh app. So we were able to get our groceries delivered straight to our door without leaving the house. Alright, so what have we got?
So the best part of the chicken for the pollo cacciatore is the thighs and the leg. We have some carrots, celery, herbs, onion, some mushrooms, tomato sauce and red wine. We're gonna have some sweet potatoes and chestnuts as a side. It's not gonna be on the dish.
And then we've also got flour, extra virgin olive oil and salt. Alright, Chef Diego, are we ready? So the first step to making pollo cacciatore is chopping up all the vegetables.
Yeah, first we start heating up the pan that we're gonna use for the veggies. So a little bit of oil. We're gonna cut the onion. Crunch up the onion. Thick pieces, okay. Carrots.
You're gonna peel them?
I don't peel carrots because all the vitamins are close to the skin. So if you peel them, most of it goes in the bin. So it's just better to just wash them. Since we're gonna cook the chicken for 1.5 hours, I cut thick pieces of veggies. I'm sorry, I'm trying for the onions.
You cried too? Oh my gosh!
I'm gonna cut thick pieces so they're not gonna be overcooked. Celery. So for the celery, don't use the leaves because they taste really bad, in my opinion. There's some people that they put pancetta. Some people they don't put mushrooms.
You can put olives, but Chef Diego doesn't eat olives. We can't put olives. Yeah. Chopped up all our vegetables. Now we can add them to the hot pan. And we're just going to cook these for 5 to 7 minutes so they can soften. And we're also adding in the sage. You can just break them into small pieces.
I'm gonna cut chunky pieces of mushrooms as well. Never wash mushrooms, otherwise it's like a sponge that absorbs all the water.
Instead of washing them, you can just wipe them with a cloth or a tea towel.
Chunky pieces like this. It's a family dish, so you don't have to be too accurate on the cutting. It's like whatever you like.
Just give these a bit of a stir. And we're going to add some salt as well. Okay, so while Chef Diego chops up the sweet potato, I'm going to crumb the chicken.
So just get the chicken, flour it in flour, and that's it.
There's a bone.
Yeah, of course it is a bone. It's chicken, you know.
I've never felt a bone.
Yeah, it's a bone. It's a chicken.
I can't do it.
Oh my! Are you serious now?
It feels weird.
It feels weird.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Just now it's covered in flour. We can just pop it on the plate.
I have the beautiful sweet potato. Cacciatore. I'm gonna chop some rosemary for again for a chestnut, and I'm just gonna cut it on top so they're gonna open and cook properly inside.
Once I was afraid, I was petrified. Keep thinking I could live with you without.
Michaela, don't touch me with the chicken eggs.
Okay, so we've got our lovely sweet potato pieces and our chicken that has now been coated in flour. And I'm gonna wash my hands.
Put a little bit of olive oil on top of these sweet potatoes, season with salt, and we're gonna sprinkle with rosemary. Okay.
Got our pan with oil on high heat. Just tested the oil with dropping the flour and it's ready. So now we can add the chicken. We're going to cook these until they have a beautiful golden color. After we've cooked the chicken on the pan, we're gonna then move it to the oven. So we've preheated the oven now to 180 degrees.
The veggies are nice and a little bit roasted. Add them on the tray. Both even on the other side.
So these have just cooked for a couple of minutes, maybe 5 minutes.
Yeah, just to give some color.
It doesn't have to cook all the way through just because we're going to continue cooking them in the oven.
In the same oil where we cooked the chicken, we're gonna add the mushrooms and quickly toast them. The mushrooms has cooked a little bit. We're gonna add the Shiraz, the red wine here. What we want to do is remove all the alcohol from the wine before adding it there.
It should just take a couple of minutes, 3 to 4 minutes to evaporate. The alcohol from the wine has evaporated. We can now pour in the mushrooms into the chicken tray.
Pour it
And then we're just going to pour in the tomato passata. Making sure that it's completely covered.
So I'm gonna put this one on top. In this way, it's not gonna hurt the oven.
The sauce isn't going to explode. So Chef Diego won't have to clean the oven later.
It's gonna cook for an hour and 15 minutes. So now 45 minutes have passed. We're gonna remove baking paper and we're gonna cook it for another half an hour.
Okay, so
For
now
half an hour, we're gonna add
sweet potato.
potatoes.
Our chicken is now ready, and so is our sweet
So we have
potato.
the sweet potatoes nicely roasted here.
Lovely, and our chestnuts have opened up.
And here our nice chicken cacciatore. You can see the sauce thickened up a little bit. See?
Beautiful. We've got the sweet potato and chestnuts already laid on top of each other. Now we can add the chicken cacciatore. Sorry, the pollo cacciatore.
Just put one piece. You can put, of course, how many pieces you like. That's it. Very easy. Very simple. You put the sauce if you like.
This looks lovely. So a very delicious pollo cacciatore or chicken cacciatore, however you want to say it. It's nice and slow cooked in the oven with some delicious vegetables, a beautiful sauce. Now you know another dish that you can cook for your whole family or even just for yourself, and you can just freeze it and have it for later. So make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram, The Chef's Guild, so you can stay up to date with all of our new videos.
Ciao.